Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm one half of the Caper couple. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So today I'm in my local ball field not too far from my home, and I just wanted to share with all of you Wingsland owners that don't know about this, guys. You can actually use your PS4 controller to control this Wingsland S6. So how you do that, guys, is you get a key mapper program, an app, and you run your Wingsland Fly app through the key mapper program. So I have Octopus here. I'll run the Octopus app. I already have my keys mapped up, but guys, you're gonna have to buy the full version, because if you just use the demo version, it will not allow you to set your right thumbstick up the right way. It will have it so that it keeps rerouting instead of holding the position. So I'm just going to delete a file here, guys, that I have so I can record. I'll be able to show you guys my flight vid. It's taking a second to load, guys. I have a lot of files on here. So delete those. Yes. Okay, guys, exit back into the Wingsland app. You can see I have video here. So I have my X button set to take off, but I'll still have to touch the screen. As you can see, it just hit X, take off. So guys, my sticks are set. You can see the Wingsland is climbing off of my left stick. Now my right stick will make it go forward, backward, left and right. As you can see, the Wingsland is flying forward, guys. What do you think? Something pretty cool that I know not a lot of people know of. And I ended up finding this out, guys, from watching another YouTube channel. This guy was using a Gamesir game controller. Here, I'll decrease the altitude so I can bring my copter back down. Now I know a lot of you guys are going to want to do this, because it really sucks flying this with the phone. So there you go, guys. I'm recording right now, recording my flight vid. You guys can see I have great control. Gain some altitude here. I don't want to go too high though, guys. It's kind of windy. It's a pretty nasty day in the Cape today. It's pretty cold out too, considering it's summertime. It's quite cold, guys. But using this, people, it makes the flight a lot more enjoyable. So I really hated flying with the phone. And you'll have a lot less of a chance of having a flyaway too. You got more control over the copter. So that's it, guys. All you Wingsland owners, give it a shot. It took me at least a day to figure out the app and how to map the keys right. But in the end, it was totally worth it, guys. As you can see, it works fine. Okay. Okay guys, so I have it right now set in beginner mode. And I didn't realize that because I guess when you go with the key mapper, it just sets everything back to normal. So guys, with all that being said, I'm going to end it here, call it a day, finish my flights. I have 2 batteries left. But until the next one, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Make sure your post notifications are on, leave us a like. And until the next time guys, catch you later. Peace.